Hi guys, I want you to meet Min, our... Uy! Black Lab. Ah, come here.
Min, narco.
Oh, here. Oh, look. Who's that? Hi, my name is Min.
Hi.
Agay. I'm a maldito Labrador. Hi, what's your name?
Come here, Min.
What's your name?
Flap.
What's your name, dog? What's your name, dog?
Min.
This is Min. Gabi ka. Labad. No, unsay mong message kay Min.
Ush.
What's your message kay Min na?
Wala oy.
Oh, see? Oh, labad kayo. Actually, gikan mi nagpa-vaccine. Right. And Min is almost kuan na siya. Almost 3 months and last niya nga parvo vaccine today. So mubalik mi as vet on the 24th sa iyang third sa iyang rabies.
Ay, kuan dito oh.
Min.
Gusto ka dito likod.
Gikan na siya nagyayay because of iyang infection. Kasi siya eat og poop. Ew, this is an ew dog. Ew dog! What are you? Huh? What are you? Huh? Alien dog, Ah! Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
Oh. Hi.
Alright, si Min karon 2 months kapin na siya sa 8.2 kilo. So, maski ato nagsakit siya, na-admit siya for 1 day, na siya sa 7 kilos. Matbuyag kayo. Gusto kayo mukaon og iyang dog food. No? Gusto kayo mukaon ng dog food? What's your dog food? Social kayo sa naol iro. Kay Pyramid Hill ang iyang meat, yung protein, and then vitality ang iyang dog food. Oh. No, that's kimchi na. Hey, hi. Say hi. Later na. Hi. Say hi.
Sabak Min be.
Go to ate. Alright. What's that? You have a big mouth. Big mouth. You have a big mouth. Like that, oh, like that. Big mouth like that.
Okay, makuha na si Daddy.
Come here. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Please subscribe to my channel.
It's not up here.
Alright. So si Min is the trainer na mo siya, like basic and stay and sit.
Not kissing.
And appear. High five. Ay, may pakaulawi. High five.
Yay!
Na-distract. High five. Come on.
High five.
Very good.
High five.
I have no treat. High five. Again.
High five.
High five, ate.
High five.
High five, ate.
High five.
Very. Thank you for showing your talent. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Salamat. Hi, bye. Bye.
Min, you want